And then another important thing is that we say the mu'awwidhat after every salah. The mu'awwidhat are Surah al-Ikhlas, Qul huwa Allahu ahad, Surah al-Falaq, Qul a'udhu bi rabbil falaq, and Surah al-Nas, Qul a'udhu bi rabbin nas. We learned that Uqba ibn Amir said that the Prophet ﷺ commanded me to recite the mu'awwidhat after every salah. And in these surahs, what are we doing? In Surah al-Ikhlas, we are declaring the oneness of Allah, His perfection. And in Surah al-Falaq and Surah al-Nas, we're asking Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to protect us from all forms of evil. Alright? Evil that we know, that we don't know, evil of the creation, evil of the night, evil of the magicians, evil of the jealousy of people, evil of shaitan, yani all types of evil. We're asking Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to protect us from that. And, as humans, we are weak. And we have, sometimes genuine fears and sometimes imaginary fears. Sometimes we're afraid that, so-and-so has affected us with the evil eye, or maybe, there's magic, or maybe there's jinn, or there's this, or there's that. Sometimes these fears are real. Other times they're imaginary. Sometimes we're already suffering from, something evil. And other times we are afraid that it might befall us. So give yourself in Allah's protection. That, Ya Allah, you are the Lord of people. You are the owner of people. You are the God of people. You are the Lord of falaq, yani the daybreak. And falaq also means the entire creation. So give yourself in Allah's protection after every salah.